Hi, Scale War Machines is back for 2019. This time we need your help. The YouTube channel trailer dates from 2012 when we launched the website, and it doesn't really reflect our YouTube channel. We want the channel trailer to really capture what we're about, so we're asking for help from you, the viewers. We'd love it if you could take a minute to have a look at the video that's coming up and let us know your thoughts. Does it do Scale War Machines justice? Does it tell you what you like about the channel? Does it say enough to get other people interested? We'll be editing it over the coming week. Once it's done, it will be uploaded to the channel and give a fresh new look to our promo. Anyway, have a look and see what you think. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so there it is, the new Scale War Machines channel trailer or promo. If there's a particular bit of content that you love and you'd like to see featured, then let us know in the comments. Does the music work? Is it catchy enough? And is it engaging enough? And if you've got any suggestions, put them in the comments below. We've got lots of new videos planned for 2019, as well as some new strands and different series ideas, so stay tuned to Scale War Machines. Thanks for watching, and bye.
Subscribe for our latest videos.